We specialize in...
I gotta make that be quiet.
Hi, I'm Joe. This is my wife, Kirsten. We are owner-operators of Gary's Full Service Auto Repair, located at 30 South Havana, Suite 302.
We specialize in maintenance and mechanical repairs of modern Asian and domestic vehicles. Joe, you've been doing this, what, almost 30 years now?
That's right.
And I've been here since 2018. Joe actually does a lot of work with complex and hard to figure out electrical and electronic issues. And we also specialize in safety repairs related to brakes, steering, and suspension, the things that help you get home safely to your family during this wet, wintry season.
We fill up fast, so call us soon at 303-364-8344. We hope to see you soon.
We always want to make sure that you're safe going down the road to get you where you need to go with your family.
We hope to see you soon. Oh, man.
Cut.